Monday morning.
It's actually close to lunchtime and Kerrie hasn't had a coffee yet, so I know, weird. Hence why I'm talking a lot, because I've already had a coffee.
So we decided that why not do something a little different today and take you on a beautiful little tour around tropical fruit world, because who doesn't like fruit?
And coffee. It's also summer in Australia right now. Literally, my back is burning. I'm not even kidding. I actually feel like you could cook an egg on there. You know,
there's a storm rolling in. Look at that. Woo!
Also, you know what's really funny is even though it's so hot, Kerrie will probably still order a hot coffee.
We just stumbled across this really cute little veggie garden. I'm actually slightly jealous because it looks really good and healthy.
It's basil.
Yep, I love basil. Oh, I'm proud to say my capsicums look better than these ones. Haha.
Is this mint? Is it?
Love mint. Mojitos, here we come.
Oh my gosh.
You're my sunshine every morning, light up every moment, make my every dream come true. Oh, I can't describe it. Took my tongue and tied it, sent my heart over the moon. It come flying.
Look at them. These helpful little native bees do not sting. It's cool to bring the kids here because there's plenty of really cute things for them to do, like sandpit, and then there's like all this grassed area for them to run around.
There's tables as well right here, just behind us, so you can bring your snacks, or there's a fruit and veg market just on my right, and you can just buy fresh fruit and veg, sit down, have a little picnic. Why haven't we got coffee in hand yet? We just ordered our coffee and we found a little nook. Also, we love that the coffee beans here are certified organic.
We like supporting brands that like to support our health, so
It's called Botero, I think.
Botero.
I love trying new coffee. Haven't had coffee at Tropical Fruit World before, so I'm excited to see what it tastes like. Already, it's a tick because it's certified organic.
Sorry, I'm just over here smelling this.
It smells so good. I love finding these stickers. That one. It's like finding what's that book?
Finding Nemo.
No, there's a book and you gotta find the stripy dude in the thing.
Oh, where's
And you get like a
Wally?
sense of, oh, where's Wally?
Oh.
And you get a sense of, yes, I found it. I get that feeling when I spot the Bud logo. We got a buzzer.
For some reason, Renee's put this book in our bag.
Oh, I was not meant to do that. Really nice pictures. Look at this.
Alright.
How nice are the photos? Literally, this little nook has
We
so much.
entertain everybody with a bit of music.
Please don't put your mouth on that. Don't even try.
Renee looks scared.
I am, yeah. But anyway, so far we are loving this place. I've never been here, by the way, so it's my first time. Coffee's ready. See y'all.
I'm feeling very excited right now.
I got an iced latte on oat milk because it's hot today. And what does Kerrie get?
Daddy chai on almond milk.
Wow.
Good.
Really hope that's oat milk. Where's dairy to me?
Oh no.
It's dairy, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll be back.
Okay, I've got oat milk now. See the difference of the colour?
Nice.
These are biodegradable, but I like drinking out of something that's not plastic feeling. Anyway, it's just
We
me.
just love our reusable mugs.
So anyway, cheers. We're going to enjoy our little morning snack, afternoon snack.
I was like midday snack.
Yeah. Oh wow.
I just like that combination, like with the chia seed pudding, the lime syrup, and then the lychee.
Okay.
Wow.
The lime makes it. You can fully taste the lime on top of it. Wow.
Isn't it
Well
good?
done, yeah. Loving this coffee.
It's good, hey?
Also, have you noticed Kerrie's haircut?
Oh yeah, I chopped all my hair off. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I love it.
Going back to blonde, I'm back in the blonde club.
Remember the days at the beginning of our channel when Kerrie's hair was literally wild? But yeah, but
Wow.
like really long.
Oh my goodness, I looked back at that footage and could not believe how long my hair was. Like it was nearly down to my waist and it was copper.
Now look at it.
Short and blonde.
Both our hairs were really, really long at the beginning of our channel, and now both of our hairs are quite short.
Favorite chips are here though. This is a good day.
Update, we're in the car. We've left Tropical Fruit World because we really wanted to do a tour, but
we were doing too much of this.
yes, we ran out of time.
We didn't run out of time. We missed the tour.
We did. So we're going to come back tomorrow.
We're going to do that fruit testing tomorrow, which they don't do today. They do all the farm animals. So it was like,
And he said that if he had to pick a tour, he likes the one that's done during the week. So from Friday to Monday, the tour is more suitable for like families because they show the animals. But we're going to do the one tomorrow during the week and get there before 9:30, 9:30 a.m. in the morning. So
we're going to get there at 9 and have a coffee because, man, that coffee was good. And I like strong coffee. That was good coffee. So well done. Well done.
But we there's a fruit and veg store and we got some star fruit.
They're like kind of rubbery texture. I don't even know how to explain what that feels like.
We'll eat them in the car and we'll show you the crunch because they're really crunchy. So we wanted to just give it a little crunch in the vlog.
Taste test. And now I'm like, it's getting hot in the car, girl.
Yeah, let's just give it a crunch and then we'll see them tomorrow.
Look how pretty it is though.
Which one should I eat? The green one? No.
You like it? Oh no, we'll just go half on this one. Why don't we just break it in half and you just eat half?
No, we're gonna.
Oh, nah.
One. Okay.
All right.
Here's the star fruit. Haven't had one of these in a really long time. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
Juicy. I don't know if that's how you eat it, but
I was not expecting it to be juicy, but wow. It's kind of sweet, it's kind of sour.
And watery.
And
obviously.
watery.
What flavour is that?
It's like watered down watermelon.
To be honest, I'm not a fan of the star fruit. It's a bit like perfumey tasting, a little bit.
It'd be nicer if it was just out of the fridge. I think if it was cold.
I really like the consistency though. Like how fun is it eating a fruit that like literally looks like a star? You just like munch yourself around it. Not that way. I think I'll go that way.
I like it. It has little seeds
in it. Yeah.
And the seeds are really crunchy. So it kind of, it's kind of crunchy and it's kind of stringy.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow in the morning for the tour. Sorry guys.
Yes, and don't be late, because if you're late, you'll miss the tour.
We're talking to ourselves.
Yes, Kerrie, Renee, don't be late.
So I'll probably edit this tonight.
Stop drinking the coffee. No, don't stop drinking the coffee.
Good morning. Kerrie and I are both very late.
Yes, and don't be late, because if you're late, you'll miss the tour.
May even miss the tour again, or be very close at missing the tour, because we're definitely getting a coffee before we start. What a great start to the day. Got the ticket. Just saying, but the coffee at Tropical Fruit World, I'm like 10 out of 10. By the way, good morning. We're here. We made it. We thought we were going to miss the tour again, but it's all good. We're here. It's Tuesday morning, 9:30, starting to do the fruit tour. Oh my god, I feel like a tourist. I know it. This is so weird.
That is actually really funny. Here we are standing under the avocado. Can you see it?
I'm excited to try some fruit because it's really...
Hey. Good morning. You must be Barry.
That's me.
We get to go on the tractor.
Okay, let's follow these two.
Plenty of room today.
Oh.
We've all got a window seat today.
Oh, woo. Nice.
My name's Barry, welcome aboard. Alright, we'll keep on time. We'll go and have a bit of a squiz around the property. I'll scratch that up. It'll probably remind you of the nightclub.
The nightclub. Why?
Well, you won't say.
Smell like
Ouzo. Little shots back in the day.
That's the Ouzo tree.
Oh!
Or Sambuca.
Yeah.
Sambuca.
That's it, man.
That's so good. Licorice. That's amazing. That view is so nice. Wow. So pretty.
I've never seen dragon fruit on a vine before. Oh no, I thought it was cactus when we came around the corner.
So what the bell does, this is under the mum. It's probably a bit like mum had too many kids.
Wow.
Monkey pot.
Yeah, that's cool.
Monkey pot.
Ready? I don't even know what I'm doing.
I'm like, do you even know what you're doing?
Oh,
so you got to put the nut in first.
And then we just put the shells
On the ground. Oh yeah, look at them all on the ground.
Whoa.
Look at that.
So cool.
How'd you go? Oh, she did it.
One.
Oh, cheers. Oh my god, you guys, it's so good.
I know, fresh.
Ooh.
This is so fun. Oh, this one's perfect.
Oh, well done.
Ta-da.
They're really nice. Aren't they? Oh. My god, you guys, check out the jackfruit. Look at it.
These are Australian native bees. They do not sting you. No sting.
That one does. That one does. That's not Australian native.
That's a naughty one.
That's a naughty one.
That's a European bee. He's probably stealing their honey. They make about a jar of honey a year. So that's about it.
They need to get busier. We're going to go eat bananas.
Okay, let's go. It's a bit rotten at the bottom.
It's alright.
I'm not going to eat that.
More jack. This one eat the flesh inside.
Eat the inside of it.
Yeah, so just bite the
See?
Look at the seed.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Wacky.
A bit like an orange.
Reckon put a lemon in there?
Oh,
Yeah, and lemon in
but
there.
Sweeter than a lemon.
Morning, ladies. How's it going? This is very exciting. We're going on a little island.
Alrighty, there's our Brazil cherry.
Oh, we better finish the
They're
tour.
green at the moment.
Oh, I've seen these.
Very high source of vitamin C. They'll be 30 times the vitamin C of an orange. The redder they get, the sweeter they get. Have a taste. The vitamin C hit for the year.
Oh, I've eaten one of these before. Don't taste good at all. Oh.
That's your vitamin C hit.
Vitamin C, here we come.
I also call them the wayyyy fruit.
There's a big seed in it.
A bit like the
Oh, I
grapes
really
and plum.
like it.
It's like really bitter as well and
It's got all the
sour.
So now your taste buds are awake.
Oh my god,
Do
they
you know
are.
what? They are awake. Oh, we're going to the island.
Wow.
Oh, this is beautiful.
We've just come off the tractor and now we're going to go do some fruit tasting.
And we're on the island.
This is amazing, so beautiful.
I think she's waiting for us, but we're like, you know, I'd like to soak up the atmosphere. And I'll tell you, if I had to stay here for 24 hours, I would not be complaining.
I wouldn't either.
We'll show you more in a minute.
So here's a fruit tasting each. So there's 2 in that one and 2 in that one. Lemon myrtle, the leaf, we just break it up, put it with hot water and just a dash of our lemon myrtle syrup. And that's it. And you can also just, if you have a water bottle, you can just pick one of the fresh ones and just break it up and then put it in your water bottle. It's got antimicrobial, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, so it'll cleanse all your insides out as well as tasting really good.
Oh,
has this subtle,
exciting,
nice,
man.
fresh, herby flavour. It's also a natural insect repellent, so you can just rub it on you.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, it smells really good, so you can just put it around those ankles that get bitten.
Yeah, it's very subtle. The finger lime's so fun to eat.
And then over my guac.
Pops in your mouth.
I know, it's so weird.
There's not many of us, so we're taking the buggy.
Taking the buggy.
Can we get out? Will they let
Yeah,
say? Oh, can we say hi?
Yeah, you say hi.
Oh, cool.
There's often more of them and they walk all together down the bottom there.
It's in the unknown that I find home. I will rest my head in the desert, and I know life feels sweeter when I don't know. It's in the unknown that I find home. I will rest my head in the desert, and I
So fun.
Hey guys, it's Renee here. Bit of a random voiceover because I'm editing and I felt that this part of the vlog needed a voiceover. So once we finished the tour, we went shopping. Such a nice store that sells so many natural and cruelty-free products. So we were literally in heaven when we walked in there. But we went in there specifically for green papaya salt, which by the way, I accidentally ate the skin of during the fruit tasting in the tour.
Why did you eat the skin?
I had no idea. No one even told me. I just started eating it. Most dried fruits are like full of sugar, and it's really hard to find dried fruit with no sugar in it. Guys.
Oh, sorry, I'm just poking everyone. Look at that.
See? No sugar.
Less ingredients, the better it is for you.
Heaps. Yep.
Oh, now you're a professional. You want one of these?
Yep. That's the best. I would totally buy this for someone who's at a farm. Not even kidding. Can you imagine?
Look at that. That's a good idea,
Really
right?
good
And then
gift.
get
I'd give
some nuts as well.
For my granddad. I want it.
Oh, that's cute.
No problem. Have a nice day.
I'm like, should we show off our goodies?
Oh yeah.
Show everyone what we got.
Kerrie literally spoiled herself rotten today. Guys, that tour was actually very surprisingly good. I had a lot more fun than what I expected because...
So did I.
Yeah. He literally goes through and tells you so much information about the fruit.
Do you see all the yellow flowers? They open up huge at night, like really big. So they've got this massive surface area, and then as the sun comes up, they start to close up.
You get to taste the fruit. I actually had no idea that there was literally that many types of fruit, and it just made me think, wow, we should be eating a lot more fruit in our diets.
And he even mentioned that.
Less packaged food and more fruit.
And you know the really cool thing is this is local to us, so we can just drop into the fruit shop, grab some organic seasonal fruit, and off we go.
Anyway, Kerrie got a little bag of goodies because there's a really nice store as you walk in just near the cafe. So Kerrie went all out. I'm going to quickly show you what Kerrie got. So the star of the show, the reason why we actually went into the store. On the tour we were eating green papaya and she said that they make green papaya salt. So we're like, yeah, we need to try the salt made from this fruit.
So good. So you can put it on, literally on green papaya, put it over your salads. I put it over my guac, and you got all those multivitamins from it.
Oh my gosh, can you smell that? Guys, that smells so good.
Wow, that's made me hungry.
That's so strong. It smells really, my mouth's watering.
You know what I want to put that on? I want to put that on top of avocado.
That's good.
Wow.
That's good.
That is just so salty and so tasty. And it's locally made. Very excited about that. And so are these little guys.
Finger limes, they were so fun.
They were, hey, they're like the little pop-pops in your mouth.
Okay, what else did you get? Oh my gosh, we couldn't help ourselves.
We're a bit like children sometimes.
Tourists.
So to be a tourist in your own little town, and officially you need to do something that we did. We did this. We bought the badge. We have the little avocado man.
Let's put it on.
He's waving. Oh my god, yeah. Oh,
I don't know how to put these on, Kerrie.
you don't know how to put these on. Who are you?
Oh, they're like little...
Yeah, you just pull it off,
Oh my
mate.
god, you have to stab your shirt.
Oh!
I don't think I want to put it on my shirt.
Yeah, you stab your shirt.
I don't want to wreck my shirt. This is new.
Put it in your hair.
What about my ear?
Oh, put it in your ear.
I totally put this in my ear.
Oh.
It's fine. Actually, it probably won't even fit. Oh wait, oh my god, it does. See ya.
What? Tropical Fruit World, we've just made you some earrings.
They're really big.
Oh, sorry.
Such such a mess every time. Oh, what was that?
That was the scene.
Boom.
Fashion.
Hi. Can you see it? Can you check the screen?
No, just go back a little bit. Oh, stop there. That is fashion.
This is us ending the vlog. We had an amazing time at Tropical Fruit World.
Can I just say, local or not local, you guys need to come down here. I don't know, I feel like it's really nurturing too. Hey, like there's just so many elements to this tour that you're gonna walk away feeling so good.
Thank you for watching. We love you. And we will see you next week. We upload every week.
We love you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Woo!
Lovely. Is that awesome?
Oh.